back to this channel. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, kindly do that so you don't miss any updates. We will be exploring some of the frequently asked questions on Nelfund student loan application, which was introduced by the federal government. There have been a lot of questions up and down. Can I still apply for this student loan? Some are even saying that they have applied and yet it's still showing verified. Some are saying their own is still bringing pending. Why some people complain that it has been approved, but it has not yet reflect on their student portal in each of their university. You might be watching this from University of Ibadan, and you can be from different universities in Nigeria. So the video today we address everything you need to know about student loan, which was powered by Nelfund. If you have not yet liked this video, kindly do that now so you can recommend it for more people. The first question is that can you still apply for the federal government student loan, which is powered by Nelfund? The answer is yes, you can apply. Although for the federal institution, they have shifted their attention to the state institution, but that does not negate the fact that you cannot still apply. You can still apply, but all you just have to do is that you have to be constantly sending them a message so that your profile can be topping up on their customer service lines, and with that you'll be able to direct their attention to your account. And let's move to the second question. And the second question is, what are those that are still having pending application, like a yellow button which their account is still pending? So if you are still having pending application on your student loan application, all you just need to do is that you should try and send them a message. I will leave a link below this video on how to send them the message so that they can attend to your application. And the third question is that those that have been approved, and by now if you have been approved, you should have received your upkeep, the monthly payment if you applied for the upkeep. And also it is now official that the school fee have been paid. And unfortunately there is an update from UI Zoo, and the link is in this video description. With that, you should be well assured that the school fee will still reflect on the student portal very soon. And having said that, I think that is all that I need to say about the Nelfund federal government student loan for 2024. All you just need to do is that just try and do as much as possible to stay applied. And if you have not yet applied, you are still considering it, you can give it a trial. It's for everyone. It's for everyone. Don't pull back in your application, and I wish each and everyone successful journey in their academic. If you have not yet liked this video, kindly do that. Please like it and share it with others so it can reach much people. I still be your lovely one, Samistini. And if you want to watch some educational video, kindly check the link in the video description. Educational video and scholarship offers and much more educational thing is right on the channel and even on the website. See you there and have a nice day. Bye.